I've teamed up with some amazing engineers in Greece to bring this amazing new product to the United States. This is a bread cone. It has a creative and delicious recipe, and this innovative machinery that we have has developed this awesome looking bread cone that we can make a million recipes, and I'm gonna make some for you guys today. So you're gonna visit my website, nikkigleckis.com, to find out where you can purchase this, both wholesale and retail. So today we're gonna make a Greek guacamole with bifteki, which is basically Keftedes. So if you click here for my Keftedes recipe, I'm gonna show you, on my recipe I made little balls of Keftedes. So you're gonna take that, same recipe, and we're gonna put that on a skewer. For this bread cone, we're gonna do 3 Keftedes for each one. So we're gonna take the balls and we're gonna take this, kind of make this a new shape here so that you can grill this, and that way it will fit in the cone perfectly. So that's the same recipe. And then there you have your skewer, and you could grill those on the flat top or sear it in a pan. Next, we're gonna add to it Greek guacamole. So you're gonna click here for my Greek guacamole recipe, and then you're gonna make this delicious sandwich. So I have it ready here for you. I'm gonna take the bread cone, I'm gonna put some guacamole. I'm gonna go all the way to the bottom, but I'm basically layering it on the one side of the cone because I wanna be able to put the Keftedes in there as well. So we're gonna put a little bit more in there. This is basically a burger that's topped with guacamole, Greek style. So I'll put a little bit more in there. Perfect. Now I'm gonna take our 3 grilled Keftedes, stick them right in there all the way to the bottom, pull out the stick, put a little bit more guacamole. Oh my goodness, this looks amazing. Perfect. So that one's finished. Leave that here, and then we'll do our next one. And these are ready. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. Don't forget, like, subscribe, follow, and check out my website so you can find out where you guys can purchase these at home.